Jambo jambo! Hello my good students, welcome to today's video. My name is Millie, jina langu ni Millie, and today we are going to learn about Swahili present perfect tense in positive form. Leo tunasoma Swahili present perfect tense in positive form, which we say in Swahili wakati uliopo timilifu. Wakati uliopo timilifu. But before we go to that, if you are new here, welcome to the home of Swahili, where we make you a native speaker. All you have to do is to make sure you subscribe and leave a comment for us for whatever you want to learn so that we can put it in our next video. For our returning subscribers, thank you so much for always staying around, and we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. Yay! Right? Okay, so let's go to today's lesson. Wakati uliopo timilifu. And the tense marker for wakati uliopo timilifu is me. Tense marker is me. In our previous video, we did present tense. Present tense. And the tense marker we saw was na for present tense, which we say wakati uliopo. So if you haven't watched our previous video, kindly make sure you go and watch it. As we all know, present perfect tense is a tense which is used to express an action which just took place a short while ago, in a few minutes or in a few hours ago. In Swahili we say, kitendo kilichofanyika wakati mfupi uliopita. Kitendo kilichofanyika wakati mfupi uliopita. An action which just happened a few minutes or in a short while ago. So today we are going to use sentence examples to understand our present perfect tense. Our first sentence is nimeosha vyombo vyote. Nimeosha vyombo vyote. I have washed all the dishes. I have washed all the dishes. It didn't happen long time ago, but nimeosha vyombo vyote. Me is our tense maker to show, is our tense marker to show, to represent present perfect tense. So when you are constructing your perfect present tense sentence, you have to use me. Me. If it was a present tense, we would say ninaosha vyombo vyote. I am washing all the dishes. But since it is present perfect tense, we say nimeosha vyombo vyote. I have washed all the dishes. Good. And by now we all know that ni stands for personal pronoun mimi. I. So nimeosha vyombo vyote. I have washed all the dishes. I for me. Our second example, umeimba wimbo mzuri sana. Umeimba wimbo mzuri sana. Umeimba wimbo mzuri sana. You have sung a very nice song. This is an action which didn't take place long time, and it is not taking place now, but in a short while ago. Umeimba wimbo mzuri sana. Our tense marker, me. Tense marker, me. U represents our personal pronoun, wewe. Personal pronoun, wewe, which means you. Which means you. If you are just landing on this video for the first time, kindly make sure you follow up our videos which we have done on Swahili Sentence Construction 1, Swahili Sentence Construction 2, and then you can get to this and understand what we mean. Our sentence 3, amepika chakula kingi. Amepika chakula kingi. Me is our tense marker for perfect present tense. For present perfect tense, sorry. So represents personal pronoun yeye, which is he or she. Yeye, he or she. So amepika, a is for this, he or she. Me is our tense marker. Pika is our verb. Pika, cook. Amepika chakula kingi. He or she has cooked a lot of food. Our example form, wamekuja darasani. Wamekuja darasani. Wamekuja darasani. They have come to class. Not too long ago, but they have come to class just in a short while ago. So wa represents personal pronoun wao, which means they. Me is our tense marker for present perfect tense. Kuja is our verb to mean come. Kuja, come. And darasani is class. So we say wamekuja darasani. Wamekuja darasani. They have come to class. If we wanted to put this in a present tense form, what would we say? Wanakuja darasani. You just change the tense marker me with the present tense marker na to make it now. Wanakuja darasani for present tense. But for present perfect tense, you use me. So, wamekuja darasani. They have come to class. Again, they have come to class. So let's clear our board and we go to our next sentence. As I always say, to remember this or to be perfect in this, kindly make sure you do your own practice by constructing sentences, and this will make you perfect. It will always let you remember what was taught in tenses. Good. So our example sentence 5, let's say, tumesoma Kiswahili. Tumesoma Kiswahili. Who can break this down for us? Let's do this. Tu represents the personal pronoun sisi, which means we. Sisi, we. So, me is our tense marker for wakati, uliopo, timilifu. Me. Soma is our verb. Soma is our verb to mean read Kiswahili. Tumesoma Kiswahili. We have read Swahili. We have read Sorry, my handwriting is not all that clear. We have read Swahili. Soma means read. So tumesoma Kiswahili. We have read Swahili. Just a short while ago, we have read Swahili. Our sentence number 6, we can say, Machungwa yameanguka. Machungwa yameanguka. Good. Machungwa, they are oranges. Oranges. So in English we say oranges have fallen. Have fallen. Machungwa yameanguka. Yameanguka. Me is our tense marker for present perfect tense, and then anguka is the verb to mean fallen. Machungwa yameanguka. Oranges have fallen. Until this time, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Goodbye. I love you all.